latest updates, subscribe to News 9. An Indian Air Force chopper, Cheetah, made an emergency landing on the Kundli-Ghaziabad-Palwal Expressway. This area is also called the Eastern Peripheral Expressway. The incident occurred about 10 to 12 kilometers away from Sonipat in Haryana. It is reported that the chopper made an emergency landing after experiencing a technical glitch. There was a lot of commotion in the area as people from nearby rushed to the spot to watch the chopper. However, no one was allowed to go near the chopper and cops restricted people from doing so. The toll authorities, including police personnel, rushed to the spot to examine the situation.
हेलीकॉप्टर था और इमरजेंसी लैंडिंग थी। उसके बाद दूसरा हेलीकॉप्टर आया और उसको ठीक ठाक करके और उसको वापस ले गए। ये लगभग 10-10 बजे का मामला था और लगभग 1 घंटा लगा और 1 घंटे में वापस ठीक करके।
Fortunately, the Air Force personnel on board are safe. Till the issue was resolved, the officials had stopped vehicular movement on the entire stretch of the expressway. It is reported that IAF engineers attended to the chopper and fixed the issue.
The IAF helicopter made an emergency landing due to a technical glitch. All police control room vehicles and police personnel were rushed to the spot. Later, Indian Air Force engineers attended to the chopper and it took off after 2 hours.
It is reported that the Cheetah helicopter was proceeding from Hindon to Halwara for a routine Air Force task. In the midway, the helicopter developed a technical snag. As a precautionary measure, the pilot made an emergency landing.
A Cheetah helicopter was proceeding from Hindon to Halwara for a routine Air Force task. Approximately 14 nautical miles out of Hindon, the helicopter developed a technical snag and carried out precautionary landing on Eastern Peripheral Expressway.
It took about 2 hours for the engineers to fix the issue. After making necessary repairs, the chopper took off to Halwara in Punjab. The pilot was commended for his timely action.
The actions taken by the pilots were prompt and correct. No damage to any property has been reported. Recovery helicopter was launched immediately from Hindon. The helicopter was rectified and recovered back promptly and safely at Hindon.
The vehicular movement in the expressway was restored after the chopper took off. The Cheetah helicopters are designed to carry out a wide range of operations. The helicopter is known for its versatile, multi-role, multi-purpose and can be used in rugged conditions. On June 21st, a similar incident was reported in eastern Ladakh. Indian Army's advanced light helicopter Dhruv made an emergency landing in eastern Ladakh. The landing was executed after the pilot felt that there may be some issue with the chopper. The incident took place amid the ongoing dispute with China.